Meaning of inert gas.
Inert gas.
Inert gas.
Inert gas.
Inert gas. An inert gas is a type of gas that is chemically inert, which means it is not easily reactive with other substances. Inert gases have a very low reactivity due to their outer electron shells being full, which makes them stable and less likely to undergo chemical reactions. This characteristic makes inert gases useful in various applications, such as protecting sensitive materials from oxidation or corrosion and creating an inert atmosphere for welding or other high-temperature processes. Overall, inert gases play an important role in many industrial, scientific, and technological fields due to their unique characteristics and properties.